How to unfreeze your TikTok account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In today's video, I'll show you how you can unfreeze your TikTok account. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, in order to unfreeze your TikTok account could be freeze due to multiple reasons. Let's say you have a fake account, you don't use it for much period of time. You only watch it to browse for TikTok and only like others post and videos, but you don't really post anything yourself. You don't follow anybody. You don't really like the videos even after you watch it, and that could be one of the reasons why TikTok has most likely freeze their account, because they're just going to justify and assume that that particular account is not a valid person's account. So in order to unfreeze account, there are some of the ways. So a quick Google search will tell you what you can do. So first step is to definitely interact with other people. So as I said, the reason your TikTok account has been freezed is because there is no interaction. So you want to make sure to interact with people, react and comment on other people's videos. The other thing is you have to post original videos. So it could be also that the reason why your account is frozen is likely due to you posting someone else's videos or throwing up some gang signs. So just make sure that you're always posting original videos. Even if you have very less videos in your account, you just want to always make sure to upload an original video and not a fake video or someone else's video. So just keep that in mind. You can also try to start creating more videos while increasing your engagement. Try to post strong comments, try to reply to comments, and TikTok is going to unfreeze that account because they are going to think that it is a valid person's account. But if it's not a valid person's account, they're most likely going to freeze it. Hope this video helped you as to how you can actually unfreeze your TikTok account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.